I deleted my entire email list, nearly 2,000 people gone. And most people would call that business suicide, but for me, it's a great move. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why I did it, why it's not a bad thing, and why you may want to do the same thing yourself. Hi, I'm John Watkins. I'm the owner of Watkins Photography, and after years of building my photography business here in Washington, I've decided I'm going to make a huge move and I'm relocating. And that means I'll no longer be serving the same clients who I've served here in Washington for all these years. The email list of 2,000, they're almost all right here in Washington. They're great people, they're amazing clients, but the list costs me money every single month. And to be honest, they're not my target audience anymore because I can't serve them because I'm not going to live near them, right? Paying to keep all those people that I can't serve makes no sense. Also worth noting, I recently sent out an email to every single person on that list to try to book sessions before I moved for like a last minute session deal. Guess how many sessions I booked? 0. So I wanted to share this because some of you might be holding on to lists or projects or even clients that don't make sense for where you're heading next. Whether you're moving, rebranding, or just shifting directions, sometimes you've got to let go of what used to make sense for you if you need to build something new. Deleting the list isn't about losing something. It's about clearing the deck and making room for the next 2,000 people who will be part of my journey in my new home where I'm moving 2,500 miles away. This is basically just like a small crossroads. And I had to make a decision. And that's what I chose. And I'm going to start fresh. So if you're starting over, drop a comment and let me know how it's going for you. If you think I'm an idiot and I shouldn't have done that, then let me know in the comments. Or if you want to see how the journey goes after I move and you want to see if I can build another list of almost 2,000 in less than 2 years whenever I'm in my new place, feel free to follow me and I'll show you how to do that.